Yes, very good morning, dear students. I will start the today's problem. Find mean, median, mode under less than method. Already I told you in exam they will not ask either less than or more than. Okay, that you have to find out whether it is a less than or more than. Varsha, listening? Varsha?
Yeah, sir. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
Fine.
sir.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
yeah. In capital, in this is what cash inflow. What they have given, this is a cash inflow. I mean, capital in lakhs, CI. This is number of companies. What they have given here, just we can understand, guys. Less than 10, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, then less than 60, less than 70, then less than 80. What they have given, all the less than, then number of companies, they what they are given, this is a frequency. Let F denote number of companies: 2, 5, 12, 23, 38, 45, 47, 50. Okay, this is the question. Now you understood. Yes, they have given all the less than value. Okay, if they have given less than value, how to find out this one, right? How to find out this one? Here I tell you very clearly, if they have given all the less than cash inflow, then number of companies, what they are given the frequency, how to solve this problem. I will show the answer now. This is what CI, okay, cash inflow. See, less than 10 means 0 to 10, less than 20 means 20 to 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, then so on. See, all those things we have taken. In the less than problem, frequency, what you can take, just 2, 5, what they are given, you can take it as it is: 2, 5, 12, 23, 38, 45, 47, 50, so on. All those things they have given, okay, that frequency can take it. So now in the frequency, what we can do? See, the in the less than problem, they have given 2, 5, 12, 23, then look at here, then 50. So this is the frequency what they have given, that we should change it. How to change here? I tell you. Okay, here, what is the value they have given here? F value they have given. Here you can take it F. How we can take it F here? 2 as it is, you can take it first 2 here. Okay, the 2 you can take it here. Then 5 minus 2, because this is the less than method. Keep in your mind, just listen. This is when the less than method, then you can, the second frequency, 5 minus 2, that become a 3. I will tell you once again. 2 as it is, you can take it. The next one is less than. I will show now. 5 minus the remaining 2 is equal to 3. Next one is 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. Where is the 12? Is equal to 7. Where is the 5? See, 12 is there. That we can take it here. See, 12 is there. The 12 you can take it. 5, the previous frequency you can take 5. Then the remaining value is 7. Got it? So here I tell you, the first 2, that as it is you can take it. After that 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. Then 12 minus 5. Okay, that is 12 minus 5, 7. Next 11. How we got 11, Andre? Here 23 minus 12 is equal to what? 11. I will show this one. See, 23. See, 23 plus 12. 23 plus 12, how much? 11. This is the answer. What
Sir,
we have taken.
23 minus 12, no, sir.
ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ?
Sir, ನೀವು 23 plus 12 ಅಂದ್ರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. How it is plus? All are minus only. See, 23 minus 12 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 23 minus 12 is equal to 11. Then remaining as it is. Here 38 now. You can take it.
Yeah.
38 minus this 38 minus 23 minus 23 is equal to 15. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ is equal to 15 ಅಂಶ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ is equal to 15. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 15 ಇದು 38 ನಲ್ಲಿ 28 23 ಲೆಸ್ 15 ಬರ್ತದೆ ತಾನೆ. after that you can take it here. 45 ಇದೆ, ಈ 45 ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 45 minus that previous this one 38 is equal to 7 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 47 minus that 45 you can take it. How much? 2. Then 50 minus 47 is equal to 3. Now this is the value, this is the frequency what we take. Okay, that if you total this one, that must become 50 only. 50. Okay, that must become 50 only. See, in the I tell you, in the less than problem, okay, in the less than problem 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Okay, so then frequency they have given that we have to change it. First we have to take 2, then 5 minus 2 3, 12 minus 5 7, 23 minus 23 minus 12 11. Because this is a very important, we know that calculation and formula, but if you know this one, definitely you can do it 100%. Then 38 minus 23 15, 45 minus 38 7, 47 minus 45 2, then 50 minus 47 3. See, if you total this one 3 2 7 15, okay, 3 2 7 15, who is scratching in this? Easily I can get it. Hello, easily I can find out, because you have only the 11 members. Out of 11 members I can easily get. Keep in your mind. Okay, okay, after that this is f what we have taken. Now this is the f value, you can take it. This is don't consider. This one is you will not consider. Okay, this one you will not consider, guys. Okay, fine. Now this is the f, you can take it. This one is don't consider it. Okay, just I can okay, it's not for. Okay, I will make it I mean small font, because that is not important, right? So now onwards, if this is the value, now we are going to find out what mid point or x value. That x value we know how to find out. 10 is there, 0 plus 10 10, 10 divided by 2 5. Again 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20 30, 30 divided by, hello, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Yaro? Select. Who is this?
Sir, ನಾನಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತು. ಯಾರು ಇದು? ಇರೋದೇ 9 8 ಜನ. ಯಾರು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆದರ ಆಗಿರೋ ಇವಾಗ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಮನೋಜ್, ರಾಕಿ, ಶರತ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ ಅವನು? ಶರತ್, ಹಲೋ. Remove that one. ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. ವರ್ಷ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Sir, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ sir.
Okay. Now what we can do andre, so listen here. F value we got it, right? Then midpoint we know 10 divided by 2, 5. 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2, that become 15. That we know already, right? This is the midpoint. How to find out the effects? F, this is the value. 2 into 5, you can take it 10. 3 into 15, 45. I mean, you should take, you can consider this is the F value, right? What we found in a less than method, this is the ultimate F value that we have to take it. That is the Fx value. Based on that, what is the Fx total? Fx is equal to 2030. Already you know that how to find out. Mean is equal to x bar divided is equal to Fx divided by n. 2030 is the Fx divided by 5 is, I mean, n is 50. That you can calculate. Mean is equal to what? Mean is equal to 40.6. I mean, 41 is the mean. Almost 41 is mean. Now let us move to the median. In the median, we have to find out the CF, cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency, how we can find out? First we can take it 2, right? Then 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 7, 23, and remaining is so on, right? So this okay, where it is, once again, okay, this one also I'll minimize because that one that is not useful, right? Because already we found F here. How you found F? We'll go to the next slide only. Okay, now listen. If CF we found, CF have 2 there, you can take it 2. Okay, then 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 11, 23, 20 plus 15, 38, 38 plus 7, 45, 45 plus 2, 47, 40 plus 7 plus 3, 50. Okay, that is total 50. What we got, this is the CF, cumulative frequency. For median formula is what? N by 2th term. I mean 50. N is 50. Okay, which we found here. See, look at here. 50 N is N 50 divided by 2. That is the 25th term. You can look at here 25th term. Where is 25th term? 25th. You can see here. Where is the 25th? CF, you can see the, where is the 25th? 23. Okay, after the 25th term we have to select. What is the 25th? 26 is there? No. So 27? No. 27, 28, 29? No. Finally 38, right? So we have to select this area. I mean here, this is the 40 is the lower value. Okay, what is the frequency? 15. Okay, then cumulative frequency, the previous one you can take it 23. That I have shown here. Please note out. 25th means L 40 already I told you. N divided by 2 is nothing but a 25th term. CF 23 divided by F 15 already I shown you where it is 15 here. This area I've selected, right? That's why I have to take 15 in into 10 is the class interval. You have to calculate. Okay, as usual you will get the answer, that is 41.3. 41.3, that is the answer. Even mean also we got the same value. Even median also we got the almost same value. Let us move to the mode. Okay, in the mode, what is the maximum frequency? What is the maximum frequency,
40.
dear students?
40.
Where it is? In the previous, where it is 40 now?
Sir.
Okay, 15. Wait.
Sir, in 15 it is no, sir, 40 to 50.
You don't see that previous one F. You have to see new one which we found. I'll show now. See here, 2, 3, 7, 11, 15, 7, 2, 3. This is the ultimate frequency. This one you don't consider. Hello, dear students. Don't consider this one. Okay, we have to consider for either mean, median, or mode. Everything is here only because this is the less than method. Okay, when the cash inflows are all the less than, that time you have to do this problem. So that's why I'm showing you. See, in this problem, I tell you, CF not necessary to find out here actually. Okay, here CF is avashyakata illa. That is called median. Okay, ECF million. Okay, that we don't want. Okay, only CF and frequency. I mean, it's not a CF, it is a CI, class interval. Okay, F already we found this one. Based on this, we are going to find out the mode. Maximum frequency, what is that? Here you can take it, maximum frequency is 15. Okay, that 15 you can take it. Then let us move to the formula. This is C. When it is a 15, so lower limit of the value 40. Okay, this is F1. This is F0. This is F2. I'll repeat. This is a F1 frequency of the model class. This is preceding the frequency of model class 11, succeeding the frequency class F2. F1, F0, then F2. This is lower limit of the class interval. That I'll show you here. L how much? What is the L? 40. See 40 that we have
40.
taken here plus 15 minus 11. See 15 is the F1. Already I told you. 11 is the F0. F1 is 15. F0 is 11. Then divided by, I'm sorry, 2 into F1. Where is the F1 value here? 15. F2 value, sorry, F0 value 11. Then F2 value, this is 7. Okay. Based on that, we have to calculate. Then the I is the difference between class interval that we calculate. Then calculation part we know that how to find out 40 plus remaining whatever the value you can calculate. Finally, you will get it almost 43.3. I mean, some two is, I mean, almost 1 or 2 difference comparatively mean and median. So this is what the answer for mode. So here, what we understood, dear students, everything is same, but while calculating the problem, just we have to see whether it is a normal method, either inclusive or exclusive, or more than or less than. Here, clearly they have given in a problem. What they have given, see, capital in lakhs, less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40. So if they have given, then we have to, if they have given like this, then we'll go for the frequency 2, 5, 12, whatever that they are given, that we have to change it. How we can change it? See the 2. Now I'll show you. This is a very important. That's why I'm showing you. If you know this calculation, then you can easily solve the problem. Okay. Look at here that normally what they are given, see class interval they are given same as it is taken, F value they are given. I mean that we have to change it. First 2 as it is you can take it 2, then 5 minus 2 because it's a less than, right? It is a less than, that's why 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then 12 minus 5, 7. 23 minus 12, 11. 38 minus 23, 15. 45 minus 38, 7. 47 minus 45, 2. 50 minus 47, 3. Almost 50 is the answer. If you find this one, okay, then you can remove this one. It's not useful. Okay, you can remove or delete or whatever you can do. That is up to you. Okay, so this is one. Now we can consider this is the F value, and later you can go for mid value. That already we know how to find out the mid value. That is X, then Fx, then Cf. Cf for median purpose, Fx for mean purpose. Then what is that? The mode is equal to maximum number of the frequency. Here only you can take it. Maximum number is 15. In the 15, you can take it 40 is the minimum value. The remaining is as usual. Got it my point? So this is the one thing which we understood. This is the third method of even QA BD. Okay, I mean mean and median mode. Okay, now I'll unmute all. Okay, now what we understood? We understood about, hello, we understood about which method they have given. They have given less than method that you can convert into the normal method. Once you convert, then easily you can calculate as it is. So that is one of the important thing. Vijay, you muted me, sir. Muted me. Muted. Okay, fine. This is the one problem which we are going to understand. Dear students, in future also, you can think about this, and in future you will